Kumusta daw yung mga robots nyo, sabi ni 754. Depende sa robot, sir.
Maraming robot dito eh.
Yung ginagamit ko, safe na safe pa din eh.
Nagpahinga.
Pero lately, grabe yung yung market lately, no? Although heavy siya sa ah, stock market, sa crypto. Meron ba kayo, nagki-crypto din ba kayo? BTC, no? Oo nga, bumagsak. Ethereum. Ako mahilig ako sa index funds eh, so bumagsak din. So yung mga S&P 500, ayan, Nasdaq. Pero yung Forex, hindi masyado affected. Not yet. Hi Ray, hi Paul, Arvin, Jerry, Julius,
May mga pumapasok na bago.
Tatsu, Lauro.
Pwedeng palagay ng ng name ng iba para masaya. Participant 754. Palagay na lang po ng first name. Thank you. Start na ba tayo?
Okay, sige, maybe we can start.
Hello, hello. Rinig naman po lahat, no? Okay naman. Hi, good evening everyone. And welcome pala sa ating Faster Trader Discovery webinar. Welcome po sa mga nag-join. And actually, we can see here familiar people na. And also may mga new ones din. So before we start, I'd like to introduce today's speaker who will be guiding us tonight and also the country manager of PU Prime Philippines. So let's get started and give a warm welcome to our coach, Coach Martin. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, good evening. Thank you, Jana. Okay, so may mga bagong pasok pa, no? Hi, Carlo.
Hmm.
Hi, Jose. Ayan. So before I begin, no, konting disclaimer lang, and I would also like to set some expectations, no. This call or webinar, hello sir, napanood ko na kayo sa PIP. Thank you, thank you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So anyway, konting expectations lang din, no? So I won't be teaching too much about the faster trading program. So I won't go into detail, no? Bibigyan ko lang ng konting introduction. And matagal na namin siya kasing konting background lang, no? Matagal na namin siyang program pero nahinto. So babalik lang namin because we noticed na sobrang dami talagang clients na kailangan ng help when it comes to trading. So that's the reason why I asked you guys earlier kung kumusta yung mga trading ninyo, no? Ayan, so far sabi nyo may mga baguhan, intermediate, tapos merong laging talo. Ayan, so alam ko yung struggles, no? Especially ngayon medyo pumapasok na tayo sa bear market. So kailangan talaga natin ng as much help as we need. So yun naman yung mission natin dito sa PU Prime. Okay? So let's formally begin. Okay? So again, I would like to welcome everyone to PU Prime Philippines. Ang title nito is Faster. Kaya siya faster kasi we will accelerate your trading journey. So regardless kung advanced ka na or baguhan ka pa or struggling ka talaga, we will have and we have the right program or strategy for you. Okay? All right? So konting disclaimer. So whatever profits na mapakita ko or any strategy, hindi siya guaranteed na hindi ko sinasabi na kikita kayo because forex trading, no, we don't really control the market. Lahat basta nagtitrade ko on margin entails high risk and hindi siya suitable for all investors. So at least clear tayo doon, no? So past performance is not an indication of future results. Okay? So ang purpose natin dito, again, to empower you with the right and effective practical knowledge, skills, tools, and mindset para maging successful kayo sa trading. Okay? Para sumakses tayong lahat. Okay, so konting background lang sa akin. So, like Jana said, I'm the country manager of PU Prime. So, PU Prime has been existing here in the Philippines for the past close to 5 years already. So, I started here 2019. So, last quarter of 2019. So, medyo matagal na, no? And I've been trading for the past 13 years. So, 2012. Around late 2011, 2012. So, that's the reason why I know lahat ng struggles ninyo, mapa EA user man o mapa manual trading. So I know lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ng isang trader. And I think that's the reason why uh, madali ako nakaka-relate, no? So whatever it is you're going through, no? Especially kung beginner ka. Yan. So currently, I am the one who's handling all of the operations of PU Prime Broker here in the Philippines, and not only that, some parts of Asia as well. Okay? So, ang program na to is for you, no? Kung expert ka na, maybe baka hindi para sa to kasi magaling ka na, no? But not all of us are very expert na sa craft natin. So, if you are struggling with forex trading in general, para sa to, no? Or kung beginner ka talaga pero gusto mong kumita on the side, no, while you're still learning, para rin sa to. Or kung trader ka na you want to diversify lang talaga yung mga investments mo. Let's say for example, you have an account na talagang yun yung expertise mo, yun yung strategy mo, pero you want to diversify your accounts, right? So sa PU Prime, you can create multiple accounts. So meron kang account na high risk, meron kang low risk, no? Maybe this program is for you. Okay? So kapag may tanong kayo, feel free to pause me anytime. It's okay. No? Taas lang kayo ng kamay. Just put out the hand button. Okay? So, introduce ko muna si PU Prime, no? So, PU Prime is a forex broker, no? Like I said, we've been here in the Philippines for the past 4 years, all close to 5 years, but in the market for I think 10 years na. So, 2015, no? Kaya ako nilagay itong parang logo na to because we're also the regional and proud regional sponsor of Team Argentina Football Association, no? Argentine. Kung nanonood kayo ng football, kung kilala niyo si Messi, no, is one of maybe the greatest of all time, or maybe si Ronaldo, depending kung sino gusto niyo, no? But we are the regional sponsor of Team Argentina, no? Sila yung world champions last 2022 sa Qatar. Okay? And I'm really happy that PU Prime is the one of the chosen sponsors, no? So 2026, I think yung next na World Cup. So PU Prime will be on their uniform. Okay? So that's one testament na talagang mapagkakatiwalaan, no, na broker si PU Prime. And hindi siya basta-basta. Okay? So konting background lang again, PU Prime in numbers. So we almost have 500,000 active traders, daily volume of 20 billion with multiple industry awards and 60 million commissions awarded. So like I said, hanapin mo lang kung saan ka pwedeng kumita, malay mo, no? Nasa sales pala yung ano mo. Hindi lang sa trading, no? Pati sa sales, no? So you can really make money as long as you partner up with PU Prime, we will help you make money, no? So ang laki ng opportunity na meron dito sa industry na to. Okay? So why trust us? We had our latest para no para ma-build yung trust nyo sa PU Prime, especially since maybe in the future no sa mga bago diyan. kami yung piliin nyo as a broker, no? But itong program na to, itong faster trading program na to is open for all, no? Hindi lang siya kung may ibang broker kayo na ginagamit, it's okay, no? Like I said, ang mission lang naman talaga namin is tumulong para kumita kayo, no? But if ever you decide, no, hopefully you entrust us with your money, we will make sure na safe yung pera nyo sa amin, no? So our last regulatory license that we got, yung ASIC, no? So eto siya. So we are licensed under FSA in Seychelles. We also have in Mauritius. We also have in South Africa. Latest natin yung sa Australia, hindi lang nakalagay dito yung sa SciSec natin. So Europe license, and upcoming license natin would be on end of May. So sa Dubai, so UAE license, sa SCA license. And we are also uh, tawag na to. We also are tawag dito dito sa PU Prime Lloyds and the Financial Commission. So insured lahat ng mga clients ni PU Prime. So just in case something happens with PU Prime, lahat ng clients will get their money back. Okay? So huwag kayong mag-alala, no? Alright? Safe na safe ang pera nyo sa broker natin. Okay? So how big is the opportunity? No? So itong pag-uusapan natin kano kalaki yung opportunity na meron. Okay? So para sa mga baguhan dyan, no, the forex market is a $1 trillion market. Okay? So it is the single most liquid market in the world. So and the good thing about it is that you can do this 24/5. So kung nagki-crypto ka, so sa PU Prime we also offer crypto as well. So pwede kang mag-trade kahit weekends. No, so we offer currencies, shares, name it, no, indexes. Yan, favorite ko yung indexes, commodities like gold, sino yung mga gold traders dyan, no? And as a matter of fact, sa mga expert na dyan sa gold, PU Prime has one of the lowest spread sa gold. No, it's ranges from 2.2, 2.3. No, so kung titignan mo siya ngayon, maybe around 2.5, pero nandun siya lang siya naglalaro. Oh, sa standard account 'yun ah. Ayan, so one of the lowest. And both manual and EA trading both viable. So pag-usapan natin ng konti yan a little bit later. Okay? So yan yung parang magiging topic natin. Okay? So unfortunately, iting challenges natin. No, that's the reason why I asked you earlier, because 76%, I believe some data tells us 90% daw natatalo. 76% of all traders lose money. No, totoo ba to? I started 2012, no? I lost all of my money, lahat ng deposit ko from 2012 up to 2016. Wala, literal wala talaga akong kinita. No, kumikita ako sometimes, pero binabalik ko lang din sa market. Okay? Why? Because I put out three notable things. We don't control the market. No, so pag nagte-trade ka ng forex, especially kung anong nangyayari ngayon, 'di ba? Nag-announce si Trump, no, nag-put siya ng tariffs, so lumakas yung dollar. So lahat ng mga kalaban na countries, mas mahal ngayon kumuha ng products and goods, no, sa US, sa Amerika. So that's the reason why. So super lakas ng dollar ngayon, no? So we don't control the market. Especially, I also lost some money nung nag-announce ng war si Putin sa Ukraine. So another example na naman yon. So most of these things, no, we don't really control. Ang kaya lang nating control ay yung risk management natin. The amount of risk we're willing to put out para kumita ng pera. No? Unfortunately, because of poor risk management, natatalo rin yung mga tao. No? For sure nakita na kayo ng ano, when you search forex trading, how to trade sa Facebook or kahit sa YouTube, ano yung mga unang lalabas, 'di ba? People with their sports cars, mansions, mga pera nila, 'di ba? Pero yun lang kasi nakikita natin eh. So we never know paano nila nakuha yun, 'di ba? Maybe they're selling something or whatever, no? And ang nangyari, so lahat ng nakita nun, no, na mali yung ano nila, perception nila when it comes to trading. So ngayon, papasok sila sa market, sa industry natin, no? Magte-trade sila. Ngayon, poor yung risk management nila. Kasi na-expect nila kung ano yung napapanood nila, makukuha rin nila. No? So it doesn't work like that. No, trading doesn't work like that. So kaya yung faster trading program, which I will show you a little bit earlier, yun, nakafocus siya talaga sa risk management, no, and right and proper expectations. Okay? And point number 3, ito yung one of the most important. People don't give chance to themselves because it really takes time to become a consistent trader. Okay? So, basahin ko lang muna yung mga chat, no? So, gano'n na kayo katagal nagte-trade? Sino na yung ano? How long have you guys been trading? May years na ba? 1 year or 2 years or newbie? Okay? So, the reason I ask, no? It really takes time to become a consistent trader. 'Di ba nung kwento ko sa inyo, I started 2012. Lahat ng courses ata nabili ko at lahat ng community na salihan ko. No, hindi ko na lang babanggitin pero majority of them I know what they're teaching, no? And marami naman sa kanila talaga effective yung mga strategy. Unfortunately, ako lang yung pasaway, no? So so imagine 2016 lang talaga ako kumita ng pera and naging consistent. So that was 4 years. So it took me 4 years to become consistent. So, di ba? And but people again, they lose money because they don't give themselves the time, the patience, no, to become consistent. So, hindi mo na nga control yung market, pasaway ka pa, no? So, ang taas-taas ng lot size mo, ang taas ng volume mo, wala ka pang SL, no? Even yung mga EA dyan, I know there's a lot of EA users na very poor din yung risk management. Kumikita ng malaki for the next 3 months, 6 months, and then bigla na lang mawawala, di ba? Because, again, poor risk management. No? Again, so I'll introduce you to one of our uh, the topic for today, which is itong Faster Intensive Trader Program, no? So, yung mga nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, no? I hope this fit your goals, no? So, again, basahin natin. This comprehensive program is designed for ambitious Filipino traders seeking to elevate their skills and dominate the financial markets. No, whether you're looking to diversify your income or build a profitable trading system, etong program na to will guide you in every step of the way. Okay? So again, this is for you kung baguhan ka, kung intermediate ka, or kahit medyo advanced ka na, no? Maybe may matutunan ka pa rin dito. And to diversify whatever it is that you're doing. Okay? So ito yung program roadmap namin, no? Number 1, we will expand your knowledge. So lahat ng natutunan namin sa PU Prime, because most of our staff in PU Prime are also traders. No, majority of us. No, so lahat ng mga natutunan namin, we will give it all to you. No, magkakaroon tayo ng classroom training, workbooks, and lahat ng concept regarding fundamental and technical analysis, we will teach you guys. Tapos magkakaroon din tayo ng hands-on training, no? So ito very personalized to. So personalized trade strategies. Pero kasi hindi lahat ng strategy fit para sa'yo, no? Kasi depende yan sa oras na available ka. Depende rin yan sa lifestyle na meron ka. Depende rin yan sa work na meron ka. Kasi pwedeng lagi kang puyat or wala ka talagang time. So hindi lahat ng strategy para sa'yo. Okay? And we also have, after hands-on training, after we personalize your strategy, pumunta naman tayo sa trader resources. No? So dito, yung proposed strategy involves a more tailored approach, including resource allocation, kagaya ng mga EAs. No? Ayan. And lastly, meron tayong continuous guidance. So we're going to build a community. So this session nga pala is the very, very first session natin. And this is just a discovery call, no? So I'm just giving you guys an introduction and hopefully magkaroon kayo ng interest and then attend our very, very first workshop na talaga. which will happen on this Friday. So kung available kayo this Friday, no, we will start our Faster Intensive Trader Program. Okay? Ayan. So ito yung mga tunan nyo. No, so we have technical analysis. No, so lahat ng nakikita nyo sa chart, we will explain it. No, from the most beginner and also how to navigate the MT4. Alam nyo ba sobrang daming natatalo sa trading dahil may mga hindi lang silang na-utilize na tools sa MT4 and MT5. So lahat yon, no, ituturo rin namin. Ayan. Number 2, no, master fundamentals. So yung fundamental approach natin, at especially ako, I'm really heavy on fundamental analysis. So we will understand paano gumagana yung mga economic indicators like ngayon, geopolitical events, yung kay Trump, tariff, how it impact the market, no? And money flow analysis. Ayan. So ang secret lang guys sa trading, you just need to follow the money is. Saan pupunta yung pera, no? Ayan, so yung pag-announce ni Trump ng pera, ay ng tariff, no? It will flow more money into the US. So sobrang simple lang. So kung alam niyo 'yon kung paano basahin, 'di ba? Kung paano niyo interpret yung data, you can really maximize, no? So I know a lot of people nag-short sila sa gold and nag-short sila sa Bitcoin. Lahat sila ngayon kumita just because they know market fundamentals. The current sentiment na meron tayo ngayon, no? And syempre, tuturo rin natin kung kailan siya may potential mag-reverse. Kasi never, hindi naman forever trading ang market, all about business. So negosyo siya. So negosyo, may cycle yan. So we will teach you also about that cycle. Okay? So number 3, ito yung tuturo natin, no? Personally, not me, ang magtuturo sa inyo nito is si Coach Jericho, one of our resident um, Forex coach and analyst ni PU Prime. No? So yung ICT and SMC and supply and demand dynamics, he will teach you guys. No? So yung mga concepts na yun. And also, no, competitive advantages. No? So syempre, kailangan mo again, very personalized tong faster trading program kung saan hahanapin natin kung saan ka magaling. So saan yung strengths mo. At the end of the day, ang gusto lang naman nating gawin, bakit tayo nagtitrade, kumita. 'Di ba? So bawat isa sa atin, meron kanya-kanyang strengths. No? And gagamitin natin yung strength na yon para ilagay mo siya doon sa mismong strategy mo. Maybe magaling ka pala talaga sa scalping, no? Or you're more of a swing trader. No, there are strategies that will apply for you. Okay? Yan. So yan yung mga matutunan mo, no? So technical analysis, fundamental analysis, different strategies, no? Ito yung mga sikat, SMC. I know a lot of people ask me about this. Sir Martin, alam mo ba yung ICT, SMC? And so, yes, I know a little bit about them, no? But me, personally, I just use price action. No, but I know a lot of people who really makes good money out of all of these strategies, different strategies. Okay? Ayan. So ito yung exclusive benefits natin, no? Pagka sumali kayo sa intensive trader program na to. So meron kaming library ng mga indicators na very, very useful. No? Super useful nila na exclusive lang namin bibigay kapag nag-join ka. So you can use this, no? For example, yung mga supply and demand indicators, no? And me personally, meron din akong mga indicators na ginagamit ko kapag ka nag-EA ka. One click lang magko-close lahat ng trades. I have that type of EA. So sabi ko, ang daming useful na mga EAs pwede nyong gamitin. Oh, so we also have resources and materials. So meron kaming mga e-books na i-share sa inyo. And of course, yung mga real-world experience namin, no, i-share din namin sa inyo yun. And we'll have a hands-on training demo and live market. No? So this is just the beginning. Magkakaroon din tayo ng mga live sessions sa ating office in BGC. Okay? So meron din tayong mga apps, optional tools to streamline your trading. May mga tools kami and mga Excel sheets that will share to you, no, para mas madaling i-compute yung mga risk-reward ratio nyo and all. 'Di ba? So talagang yung magiging approach natin once you join this program is very professional, no? Like I said, may mga Excel sheets pa kaming ibibigay, no? Para tama yung pag-compute nyo ng risk ninyo. And also, nandito rin kami to provide you the best customer service. Siyempre, you're going to use PU Prime as your broker. So, nandito kami and the team. So, nandito ako, andyan si Tiffany, andyan si Jana, and the rest of the team to help you guys, no? If ever you have any issues as of right now, no? Especially when you start this program, magti-trade kayo. So, we're going to do our best to give you guys the best trading environment possible. Okay? Ayan. So, ito yung sample performance, no? So, etong performance na to, no, ito yung pwede nyo expect when you join the Faster Trading Program. So, this is a one whole year portfolio. Maybe hindi siya ganun kalaki sa iba. Kasi masyado siyang, may mga months na maliit, no? So, meron tayong month na 8%, pero may month din tayong 1%. So, like I said, magiging very professional yung approach natin, no? We're not going to target huge amount of money. So kung ang goal mo ay kumita ng 100%, kahit nga 50%, maybe this program is not for you, no? So ayan, so to give you guys an idea, yan yung potential performance na pwede sa inyo, no? So ang goal lang natin is to beat the banks and kumita ng extra. So the banks, di ba, they offer how much? Highest sa mga digital banks is 12% every year, maybe 6 to 12% interest. So dito pa lang, kaya na nating sabayan at talunin yung mga banks in just 1 quarter alone. No? Okay? Ayan. So, eto yung magiging schedule natin. And yung picture na nakikita nyo sa background, yan yung office natin sa BGC. No? So, on Friday, magsa-start yung first ever session natin. Webinar, 8 o'clock. No? So hopefully you can join us. And the next session natin, wala lang tayo, supposed to be meron tayong weekly sessions. Unfortunately, next week kasi mahal na araw, di ba? So blanco yung next week natin on April. And then on the third week, nandun yung second session natin, Friday, April 25. Tapos on Tuesday, live coaching tayo dun sa office natin here in BGC. Yan. Tapos, we will submit you guys the full May calendar, no? We will do this very frequently, no? So, nandito ba si Coach Jerry?
Nandito.
Okay.
Basta, hi
Yan.
Martin. Hi
So,
everyone.
pakilala ko lang pala, no? Si Coach Jerry yung pinaka-facilitator ng Faster Trading Program natin. So, if you have any questions, feel free, no, to ask him, no? At kung may tanong kayo kung libre ba to o hindi, libre lang ito. So, di ba? So, we're going to offer this for free. So, we're going to really spend time no, to teach you guys. This will be very hands-on approach kasi gusto namin talaga kumita kayo. Because at the end of the day, no, you're going to put in capital, real money, and if you put in real money, that's equivalent to time, no? Oras nyo yung ginamit para kumita kayo ng pera, no? And time wasted is also life wasted. So tandaan natin yon. So kung mag-i-invest na rin kayo sa Forex at nagkaroon kayo ng interest dito, seryosohin na rin natin. And we're really, really glad to help you guys. We're really committed to help you. So, ayan, introduce ko si Sir Jerry, no? So maybe he can give you guys a little bit more about the Faster Trading Program. No, so again, if you have any questions, let us know. And para to start again, lastly, no, last point. If you want to start, just message one of your account managers, the one who invited you here. So kung nakausap niyo si Tiffany, si Jana, and other account managers, just message them. Kasi yung slots dito, limited lang. Okay? So hi Jerry.
Hey, good evening everyone. Thank you, Mark. So I'm sure most of you guys na nakikita ko dun sa participants natin today are umattend na ng training. So, hi. Good evening to everyone. And dun sa mga bago, welcome to Faster Trader program. So the program is designed for the clients of PU Prime to make them more advanced talaga. So matagal na actually itong program na to, no? Pero hindi kasi natin siya ino-offer regularly. So this year, we decided to bring it back para talaga mas ganahan pa yung mga traders natin na magtuloy-tuloy sa kanilang education, sa kanilang progress as a trader, and to provide them an easy way to reach their goal to become consistent, profitable trader. So yun yung talaga yung mission ni PU Prime. And so nag-a-align kasi yung values ni PU Prime sa gusto natin mangyari dun sa ating growth as a trader. We want to be independent, we want to be consistent, and we want to do it as fast as possible. Right? So, binibigay ni Faster Traders Program yung lahat ng resources na kailangan ninyo to make that happen and to ensure that you are guided every step of the way. That's why we created this program. Now, for those of you na nagtatanong kanina, no, kung libre ba to, uulitin ko lang. All educational resources from PU Prime, as long as you are a client of PU Prime, is going to be free. Libre siya. Wala kayong babayaran as long as you are a client. So as long as your account is with us, all the resources that you can get will be free. We have our own office sa BGC that you can visit as well for free, and we are actually planning a lot of other things for you. So if you really want to become consistent, if you really want to become profitable, if you want to have a clear path to becoming a professional trader, join the Faster Traders program. So, yun lang. Going to give it back to Martin. If you have any questions, let us know.
Okay. So may mga pahabol na questions ba? Oh yes, free lang siya. Ayan. So again, this meeting is recorded. So maybe if you miss some topics or something I said, no, you can just go back, no, ask this recording to your account managers, the one who invited you here. So again, hopefully makasama namin kayo, no? And you can visit us personally sa office natin, no? So sagot ko na yung kape, guys. So kung gusto niyo talaga ng mga personal mentorship at you're serious on do earning earning consistently sa trading, no? I'm really happy to assist you guys, no? Especially sa pagdating sa risk management, no? So I'm really serious about it. And so again, may questions ba? Kung walang questions, let's end this call, no? It's very quick lang, and I'm really appreciate your time, everyone, no, sa pag-attend nito.
May question pa ata, no? So,
Yeah.
EA yung investment. Sabi na, so even if you are a manual trader or you're using other programs, other EAs or whatever, okay lang yun, no? The goal here is as long as you are a client, then you can join the program. So if you want to ask, may nagtatanong magkano yung minimum natin. That depends, no? What is the ideal capital if you are going to trade, depending if you're using an EA or as a manual trader. Might as well talk to your account manager for the best advice. May full schedule na po ba? Yes, we already have a full schedule. We are going to provide that schedule to you guys. No? Siyempre, yung mga schedule natin, there will be some tentative dates, but rest assured that we already planned out everything for you guys. By the way, this course or this program might take around 1 to 2 months to complete. Pero depende yan sa inyo because there will be some workbooks and self-paced part of the program as well. So kung mabilis yung intake mo ng knowledge, mabilis yung exercises na nagagawa, yung mga assignments na gagawa mo siya, then it will be faster for you. But for those na medyo kailangan ng konting may other commitments like work or businesses, it's okay, no? Kasi may mga self-paced tayo na part ng program.
Yeah. So we're going to create a specific group chat for faster trading program. No, so maybe we're going to do a Discord channel as well for this. para lahat ng mga workbooks at mga topics na mga na-discuss, saka yung mga activities na gagawin natin, we will post it there. So properly recorded. Okay? Ayan, so to answer Happy, so for this April, ito yung full sched natin. 2 sessions pa lang kasi unfortunately, hindi natin kaya pangpunan yung buong month as of right now kasi may mga ibang nakaschedule na rin. But for May, we will try to fill up the calendar sheet and send it to you right away. Okay? So OC, as it was mentioned last time, certain capital is required. Sir, just
Yeah,
under. Yeah.
Sir, register ako under Sir Kenneth Vidal. Yes, no. As long as you're a client, Joseph, as long as you're a client, you can join the
Mm.
Faster Trader program. OC, it was mentioned last time a certain capital is required. Yes, I did mention that now may certain amount of capital that is required to join the program, but as I mentioned earlier, it depends on your account manager and the type of kind of trader that you are. So might as well talk to them first.
Yeah. So, yung capital requirement is kung minimum capital lang, nasagot ata ni Tiffany, so $50. So, if we're going to open a cent account, $20. But still, at the end of the day, yan yung isang tuturo natin sa Faster Trading Program.
Yes.
Kasi, ang magiging sagot talaga sa tanong na capital is depends on what you need and ano yung objective mo, bakit ka talaga nagtitrade on the first place. No, I have clients na nagtitrade lang sila dahil gusto lang nila ng pambayad sa kuryente. 'Di ba? Yung iba nagtitrade para kumita ng malaki. So magkakaiba yung mga capital ng mga 'yon. So Jay, okay po ba yung PU Prime dito sa Pinas? Mahigpit yata sila sa mga broker. Yeah, sobrang higpit nila sa mga broker. Yeah. But wala rin silang magagawa para pigilan yung mga brokers. So nasa ano tayo ngayon? Currently nasa limbo ang forex brokerage business sa Philippines, no? So we are illegal but also not legal. Ay also parang legal na rin in a sense, no? So ang medyo mahirap sagutin 'yon kasi but ito yung igagaranti ko, no? The moment na may regulatory body si government natin when it comes to forex trading, no, forex brokers in general, si PU Prime yung mangunguna sa pagkuha nun. So, as a matter of fact, di ba, kung makita niyo yung mga regulations natin kanina, so bawat bansa, we're trying our best para kumuha ng license nila. So, in the future, we are going to have 2 Tier 1 license. No, mauuna muna yung Dubai license, which is the ESCA. And then next, yung UK license. No? So, lahat yun, mga puro Tier 1 license. Ayan. So, dito, don't worry guys, no. I've been a part of PU Prime for the past 5 years already, close to 5 years. So, so far naman, we're doing okay. Ayan. Meron lang mga challenges here and there, but okay naman. Yan. So, any more questions? Ayan. So hopefully guys talaga makasama namin kayo sa journey na to. So see you on Friday. Okay
Yes.
guys? Ayan, so see you guys on Friday. So yun yung first session natin. So just reach out to your account managers or whoever invited you here para mag-register. Okay? So anything else, Miss Jana?
Yun lang naman. Bali, punta na lang po sila ng Friday, 8 o'clock p.m. for the first session ng
Punta sa Zoom or sa
punta sa Zoom. Zoom. Ayun. Nasa GC naman yata silang lahat.
Okay, so nasa GC kayo lahat. Okay.
Okay.
Sige. So we're going to create another group chat for this. Okay, so see you guys and really happy that you listened to this session, no? So this is just an introduction para alam niyo yung pinapasok niyo.
Yeah.
Okay? So thank you guys, everyone. Have a nice evening.
Good
Yeah,
night.
see you again.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
Jesse.
Night.
Thank you.
Nice to see you. Nice to see everyone. Bye.